Wow. That's cool.
So these used to be Dover.
What's the name of this building?
17th Street Plaza. Oh, these are cool. Oh yeah, these definitely used to be Dover. TK did the mod here. Mind if I grab a picture?
Sure.
These are nice.
I don't think this is the highest rising bank.
Oh yeah, there's one that goes up to like 30 something.
Okay. Is that one locked or no?
No, I just didn't want to go walk past the security guard. We can transfer around. Also, might as well check the service while we're here.
Okay.
Because service could be original. Let's see here. Oh yeah, look, there's a service elevator here. Might as well just go take a look. If it's not original, you don't have to take a ride. But if it is, might as well.
No, that's stairs.
Yes, this is always good right now.
That's the high rise.
Aw, damn, they modded it. Or maybe, let's see.
I don't really want to bother with it.
Yeah. We'll take the high rise. How's it going? I just missed that out that much. These are fucking nice caps though.
Yeah.
Oh, you hear the generators?
That sounds awesome.
Well, that's a Dover indicator. So this is a very light mod.
Yeah, I think this could just be a slap on.
Let's take it back down, back up, and back down.
Okay.
These are nice though. Oh, I love that. Yeah, those are definitely the original motors.
Yeah. Yeah, and I can't say I've ever heard a TK with those chimes, but...
Yeah, that's weird.
Like I said, I have a feeling these are probably still technically Dover, but TK just replaced the
For
buttons.
sure.
32.
I like that color though.
Same.
That nice toothpaste green.
These buttons press interesting.
I think these are probably like DMG or something. Oh, these are like weird. Yeah, I've never.
Oh, here we go.
Here the other one's going.
I heard a Dover buzz on the other one.
Oh, you're right.
So this may technically be a full mod, but...
I mean, I don't know. Because the way it says 5, watch, that's the only Dover say 5 like that. See, that's a Dover 5. Alright, take back down the one, and then we'll head over to, oh, dude, I could use some of that for hours. But I told Matt, I told him I will bet money that those elevators at the higher agency are gonna get modded before I graduate.
Really?
They're in just awful shape. Like, those high-rise cars, like if you ride those all the way up, it's fucking scary.